The genesis for this large-scale testing lab came from our observations of a couple of things. One was the access our students had to realistic testing environments. We built this large-scale testing lab, we designed it to be unique. For example, this floor has up to a 4 million pound capacity. So we can push the boundaries of design in this facility that could not be done other places.
We are able to test structures that are up to 40 feet tall, that is about 3 stories high. So we can bring in a 3-story building and break it in this lab. We can also test things that are about up to 80 feet long. The lab is also very modular, so we can do loading in any direction we want to simulate earthquakes, hurricanes, blast loading, and any extreme loading on structures. And no other lab in this country can do this.
We can teach them and we can do instruction in the classroom, but a test like this that was done today is going to define what the industry does. And so our student is no longer passively sitting in a classroom learning about a code book.
We really wanted to be able to give a place for industry to take their innovations and be able to say, now I have a better way. I have a better way, it's going to be sustainable in our infrastructure, or it's going to be safer. The value of having industry working in our labs with our students is immeasurable.
This is the future from an engineering point of view of new developments to make the country perform better. You can argue about simulations all day. Testing is where the proof comes out. You have a well thought out, well-equipped facility that can do many of the kinds of testing that we need done to establish earthquake performance standards.
If someone wanted to support us going forward to have even more unique capabilities, that's something we could add in. They could help us acquire and implement that newer type of equipment and sensor technology.
And my hope is as we perform these tests and we engage more and more people, they see value in what we're doing and we build momentum towards make it grow.
I think it's a very sound investment from a technical standpoint, but also from a societal standpoint. Because if they've seen something built, if they've helped build it and seen it tested and seen it fail, that's a big lesson for an engineer.
When we have dedicated community members that are willing to give back to a place that provides education opportunities to the students, so if we have at UTSA, they can make a tremendous impact on what kind of facilities they have access to and what kind of testing they'll be able to do and the amount of room they're going to have for their group projects. And we're going to bring classes in this lab to build, to test, to analyze. And so that's the kind of impact that a community member could have if they were to give to the College of Engineering or to UTSA in general.